Welcome to this video on Glo International, where we explore the art of restoration. Join us as we look at how this company is redefining the industry. In this video, we will cover the company's background, timeline, products and services, target audience, and market analysis, followed by partnership benefits and team introductions. Glo International focuses on the eco-friendly restoration of damaged materials. Their mission is to be the global leader in sustainable repair, reducing waste by choosing restoration over replacement. The company's strategic roadmap highlights growth and innovation from 2025 through 2028, moving from initial preparation and launch to scaling operations and advanced technological implementation. Glo offers a wide range of services, including restoration, color changes, repairs, and deep cleaning. Their water-based, non-toxic products provide permanent results, making them an efficient choice for various surfaces. Their target audience spans B2B and B2C markets, focusing on those who value asset preservation, convenience, and sustainability. They prioritize quality maintenance for high-value items across automotive, aviation, and marine sectors. The market analysis shows consistent growth, fueled by an adaptive franchise model. With a presence in over 50 countries, the company's recession-resistant approach and commitment to R&D keep them competitive. Partnerships with Glo offer significant advantages, backed by strong company growth, a network of over 99 partners, and more than 1,000 satisfied customers. Meet the leadership team behind Glo International: President Mike Altamimi, CFO Anthony Verch, and CEO James Miller, all committed to excellence in the restoration industry. Thank you for watching this overview of Glo International. For more information or to get in touch, please use the contact details provided on screen.